Now that we have our concept sketch, and you'll notice this one is slightly different than the where we finished in the first lesson, but I did do some slight refinements. But once we've got that, the goal now would be to create some cleaner line work and to concentrate on really nailing exactly the lines and strokes that you want to complete a nice presentation rendering. Right here, again, I'm just moving back to utilizing the ellipse tool and the circles within the ellipse tool. You can see how this could be easy to use if you are using ellipses, but since we're focused on a side view as opposed to perspective, here we're just utilizing the circle. This is a little bit faster than twice actual speed, and in a moment I'll slow it down. And what I want you to look for and pay attention to when I slow the video down to normal speed is the pace and speed of the quick gestures. So now that I've finished with the ellipses, I'll slow it down to normal speed right here. You can see the pace has changed, but this is real time. And a couple of things that I want you to notice is I'm just really concentrating on nailing exactly the line that I want. Whereas earlier the entire goal was to create concept variations and create as many as quickly as possible and really start to feel out the overall proportion, which is why I changed the angle of the main bar running from the seat to the handlebars on the frame because I wanted a more aggressive look. I was able to do that very quickly by generating multiple concepts and utilizing layers. But here, I've got the design that I want, and my goal is to communicate it and render it. So what I want to do first is just nail the lines, and here I am just at normal speed. What I typically like to do is sketch the long sweeping arcs or lines first and then come back in and add the smaller ones later. Small radiuses, fillets, and just the small connector lines and gestures like this one. What I've done is I've got the pen, the stylus. I've got a one-button stylus, and I currently have that one-button stylus. The button is set up as an undo, so that if I put a stroke down, it's very easy to quickly get rid of that stroke and sketch another one.